wait for your turn to shine. Nobody checking for me, I had to earn the mind. Said I couldn't win cause I'm odd and I'm not following trends. So it's odd how I came out on top in the end. Cause you finna die if you sit and wait for your turn to shine. Nobody checking for me, I had to earn the mind. Said I couldn't.
What's going on YouTube? It's your girl, Lady J. Gang, gang, gang. Happy Sunday afternoon, you guys. Look who I got with me.
Nardia.
Birthday girl, Tuesday.
Yeah.
You excited?
Yes.
And then I got Miss Waffle with me.
Hello, everybody.
You guys, we're doing some cooking today. Let me turn this camera around to show y'all. Well, listen, they doing the cooking, I'm doing the eating. No, I'm gonna do the cake. I'm gonna do the easy thing. But hold on, let me turn the camera around. Okay, look, you guys. So, Waffle, what's this right here? What we got going on here?
So I was preparing the potato salad. It's I cut some carrots, onion, some green pepper, red pepper, potatoes, and
look at all this.
I'm gonna put
fresh,
the dressing.
everything fresh. And what's this dressing?
That's I put some mayo, some mustard, French mustard, and salt and pepper, and some garlic.
Oh,
that's gonna be on dressing for the potatoes.
All right, let me turn
And
it
then we're gonna fry some fish.
Also, you're frying fish too. What kind of fish do we got?
We're gonna do the whiting.
I mean, because Nardia is her birthday coming up, and she said that's what she wanted, right?
Yes.
So
we're gonna spoil her today.
Yeah, it's nice friends hanging out, coming over each other's house, cooking. You know, that's what it's about. So yeah, we're gonna have some girl time and just hang out and cook. But we're gonna bring you guys along with us. All right, see you in a bit. All right, y'all. So this is the fish. We got some whiting. You marinated it with what?
A fish seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and that's it. A little bit of vinegar.
All right.
So I left you these two. I'm gonna show you.
Look, we got the whole setup, y'all. Look, her kitchen is so nice. This is a coffee maker? That's probably Moroccan. Some good coffee, no?
No, it's
regular American coffee.
This is the fish we're making today for Nardia's birthday.
Nice.
This is the merlan, and this one I pre-cut them this morning, so I marinate them.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So who wants to do the cutting? You want to do the cutting?
See, y'all the cooking. Y'all the cookers.
Gloves? Yeah, I have gloves.
Okay, so what you about to do, Nardi?
I'm about to cut a fish.
All right.
So I'm gonna just cut it in like 3-piece waffle, or 2 is good. Like
two is good. Like this.
Okay.
Big.
So I'm gonna just cut it in 2.
And you can take the tail out.
That's some nice thick fish too.
Cut the tail off.
Yeah. Don't want no no tails and no heads.
No. Just cut the tail off. Just cut it in 2. Okay.
So you want to put some salt with the flour?
Yeah.
Here, I put the flour here.
See, I need to keep watch.
So you put the flour on the floor?
Huh? That's the one we're gonna dip the fish in before we fry.
Pouring some oil so we can fry this fish up.
Okay, that's good.
That's good.
Yeah.
So how long do you fry the fish for? Like, fish don't take long to fry, right?
Like
Couple minutes. Yeah, a few minutes.
3 minutes.
This is all fresh stuff. This looks so good.
So we're gonna flour the fish. So the oil get hot over there.
The oil is heating up.
Look at Nardia, jeweled up. I just got a new ring, you guys. Look, this is pretty.
Yeah, it's nice.
Beautiful.
Did my nails over
I like
too.
the nails
Thank
too.
you.
Yeah, it's pretty. Good job.
Look at the doggy. Hi, Gizmo.
Gizmo.
She's a girl.
She's excited. You want me to put her in the room?
No, she's just excited.
Yeah.
She'll get you. Yeah, she doesn't know us, but she'll get used to us.
Yeah. So what are you gonna have in that pot, waffle?
I'm gonna make some rice.
Oh, you're gonna
so we
make some
can
rice?
have it with the
fish?
With the fish.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna put the fish.
Oh, hold on, because I'm trying to get pot with it. This is.
Yeah, it's hot. All is hot now, so I'm gonna put the fish in. Wow. It's hot.
That's a good fish.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be ready to go to sleep. I'm telling you, after this is gonna be some good cooking right here.
It's Nadia's birthday. Come on.
You spoiled rotten, girl.
Nice. Look good, right?
Mhm. And the onions is getting nice and brown for the rice.
Okay.
So now we're doing the rice now. So you got what, 2 cups of rice in there,
And this is 1 cup.
onions and oil so far, right?
Yeah. And I'm gonna add another cup. And I'm gonna keep stirring.
Kind of like stir fry rice, or no?
So the rice will pick up the flavor from the onion.
First, before you put the water in there.
Yes. Then we will season it with the.
I'm doing that from at home.
It will be delicious.
Yeah, y'all some good cooks. I gotta get like y'all.
And for each cup of water, you put each cup of rice, you put 2 cups of water.
Okay.
1 to 2. And we're gonna keep stirring until the rice browns a little bit. Then we'll add the water.
Okay. All right, you guys. So we're making some lemon cake. So I'm just gonna pour this in the bowl. We're doing lemon cake with lemon icing. Okay. So now we're gonna do 3 eggs. This is fun. We gotta do this more often.
Yeah.
Every time we do different recipe.
Something different. Yeah. Make sure you don't get no eggshells in there. That's the worst.
Yeah.
Alright, I need 1 cup of water.
Okay. 1 cup.
Y'all, this is gonna be good. Yeah, 1 cup of water and then 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. One cup of water and 1/2 cup of vegetables. She knows how to measure like eye with the eye. See, not me. Alright, I need like a big spoon. Okay, this is fine.
Yeah.
Okay, y'all, so 1 cup water, 1/2 vegetable oil, 3 eggs. I don't smell it yet. There you go. We're going to the islands with this one. So would you say, like, okay, the fish, we're kind of doing it like Jamaican style, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and we got lemon cake, and this is what, potato salad?
Potato salad.
Salad.
We did,
That's
And some
American
fried
way.
you
fish.
gotta cut the potatoes?
No, I did
Oh, you
already.
did? Alright. so cake is nice and stirred up. No lumps and bumps. And so we're going to do a bundt cake style, so I'm just going to pour it in here. So we're going to put that in the oven and we'll see it when it gets done.
Okay, now.
Yeah, you guys, so this is coming along pretty good. We're going to be eating good today, you guys. I hope you guys are having a nice Sunday, but you probably won't see this till Monday. Yeah, this is just girls' day. Just hanging out, cooking, eating. Y'all tell me what y'all did on this Sunday. Comment down below. Alright, so now we're doing a potato salad, you guys.
I'm just gonna put the dressing.
So what we got in here again? Potatoes, carrots,
green pepper, parsley, some garlic, and red onion.
And then what kind of sauce is this?
I put mayo and some French mustard, and salt, pepper, and garlic.
All right.
And you gently stir it because you don't want to mash. You don't want to have like mashed potatoes.
Right.
You want those big chunk of potatoes.
So how long did you cook the potatoes for?
This one it took me like maybe 15 minutes. Gently stir it, and that's it. And here we have it. Nice potato salad.
I'm telling you, y'all. This is how you cook on Sunday dinners.
And this one, believe me, it tastes better than the one you buy from the store.
Yeah.
It's delicious.
Wow. Yeah. I didn't
Did you put egg in
eat
there?
on purpose because I
No.
knew we was going to be eating good.
I don't want to put eggs, Nadia, because there is already eggs in the mayo. And
Well, Nardi don't eat eggs, right? She don't eat eggs.
no, mayo has already eggs. That's it. And we wait for the fish and the rice.
Look how pretty. This right here is one on top of the fish. So we got red pepper, carrot,
Green pepper, red carrots, onions. They call it in Jamaica escovitch. Escovitch fish. Keep it long like this or half?
Comment down below, you guys, if we should cook together every Sunday. That would be nice, but I don't know.
So give us an idea what to cook.
Yeah, what y'all give us an idea what we should cook next. Let's go check on this fish over here. Oxtail. I don't eat oxtail.
You don't eat oxtail? You never tried it before. You don't know what you're missing out, girl.
No, you missing out. You don't eat chicken. This girl does not eat chicken. She is missing out.
She eats most of the time she eats fish, which is good. It's very healthy.
Yeah. So we're sauteing the vegetables. It's gonna go on top of the fish. So what's in here, Nadia? Oil.
A little bit of oil, and we have peppers, onion, carrot,
And vinegar.
and I'm gonna pour a little vinegar.
A little bit. Okay.
Here.
So what does the vinegar do?
Vinegar. So I'm gonna pour a little vinegar.
You want to cover it or
That fish smells so good.
Put a little bit of Maggi to it. Hard.
I can't wait to eat. And here goes the cake, you guys. I tried to turn it over.
What?
This is a lemon cake. I tried to turn it over and it broke up a little bit, but that's alright.
I added some butter to the rice.
So this is the rice. So dinner's almost done, you guys, and I'll be back when we're all finished. Nice. See, now this is what I'm talking about right here. Wow, this looks amazing. Okay, look, finishes touches, some lemon on the side. That's gonna be so good.
Here, ladies.
Wow. All right, you guys, so this is the meal, and I'm about to taste test. So let's start first with this potato salad.
Yeah.
Let's go with this rice. That rice is really good.
Fish.
Now let's try the Big Daddy. Look at this. Let's try this Big Daddy. It's really good. Alright, you guys, I'm back. This is the cake. Lemon cake with lemon icing for birthday girl. So we're gonna try it and see how it tastes. Alright, you guys. Try my cake. It's good.
Good.
Yeah, I love my sweets. That's my problem. Alright, now seriously this time. I love you guys. See you in the next one. Peace.